Hey guys, hey gals, Jill Yegerlehner here from Jillibean Soup. It's been a while since we've done a mix the media video, so I wanted to show you some projects that we've worked on lately. And then also, I'm going to show you this wall that I have behind me. We're filming in a room in my house here, and we did the shiplap here, but I used lots of mix the media pieces to kind of fill out the rest of the wall, and I just love it. So we're going to go ahead and start with the wall first, and I'm going to show you some of the pieces here. And keep in mind, you can do whatever art or anything like that you'd like. I'm just showing you some of the stuff that we've done. So we have these offset 12 by 16 pieces that we have. I have one here and I have a different one on the other end, and they just kind of are symmetrically look good. But anyhow, I just did this cow head on this with a bright color. I love the way that it pops, but you could do sentiments, you could do whatever kind of saying you would like. We have a 10 by 10 whitewashed framed burlap piece with Home and the Yegs, which is us, established in 2000. And this was just done with a Sharpie. I want to mention how easy it is to do stuff on the burlap pieces. Sharpie works really well. You can actually take the burlap piece out, so you could put your stencil over top of it and do it with a Sharpie or with paint or with whatever you'd like. And then I want to pull down here to this 10 by 10 piece. This is one of our original pieces. A 3D piece. It's a rustic, so you can see how it's the finish is rustic. And this Farm Sweet Farm was just a cut file that I grabbed out of the Silhouette store, and again used this warm color of aqua paint. It works great with the teal paint. This welcome here is one of our galvanized words that we currently sell. This works great on its own. I love the pop against the white shiplap wall. Or you could use it on a wreath, you could use it, just on one of the wood pieces, you could use it anywhere. It looks great. And you'll notice that I collect these Ys. Last name's Yegerlehner, so I collect the Ys and then bring them into our home in various places. So in between the wood pieces or the mix the media plate pieces, I brought the Y in here, and you'll see it on the other side as well. You can see this really cool old chalkboard. Actually had a gal that we've got to know from the Country Living Fairs, Cobblestone Road hand lettering. She did this for us, and I love the way it just kind of forms the entire wall. It's a big piece, but it's done really well and done really well with the hand lettering. So let's go over to this other side here where you can see again, I have some more Ys. Let me put this down for a second. You can see I actually found this small one, and then I put a frame over top of it here just to pop it off a little bit. This is also a 10 by 10. This is a 10 by 10 piece that's used, or that we've got string iron on, and it's got a good green color, so we're pulling in a lot of the blues, the greens, and they work well with the shiplap here. You could do any shape, anything that you want with a shiplap, with the string irons, and pull in any colors of embroidery, floss, anything like that. This works well. We have a couple kits still, I believe, in our store that you could pull in as well. And then this is a 12 by 16 piece as well. It is not offset though. You can see where the planks are just all lined up, so they don't go off offset like the last piece. This was actually a class that I taught, and she loves color, and we cut down all those little wood pieces, used the stencil, formed it into this deer head. Really easy project, looks more difficult than it is. And another one of our galvanized words here, which is blessed. Like I said, it looks great against the white wall, or you can use it with a wreath or any kind of project that you'd like. All right, so mix the media products can easily be used in your home. If you're afraid to use them, if they intimidate you, they're really, really easy. You can use a stencil, you can paint on them, you can stick foam stickers on them, you can just stick a wreath on them. They're just really easy peasy to work with, and I hope that you get some inspiration from some of the projects here. All right, thank you so much and have a great day.